Yeah, we'll show you the latest with Maria coming up in just a bit. It could be within the next hour or so that we are seeing Maria go from a hurricane down to a tropical storm. So we'll keep you up to date there. And I wanted to show you what it looks like outside as we're starting off overlooking the Allegheny. And you'll notice that there's not a lot in the way of any shadows as we're heading into the afternoon. Kind of a hazy sunshine is going to be expected today as we continue to see some clouds, in part because of Maria pushing in from the southeast. And we'll continue to see that over the course of the day. Notice the winds also out of the southeast at 5 miles an hour. Our temperature this hour already at 84 degrees. We'll have a chance maybe to get as warm as 89. I think we'll stall out at about 87 degrees. Partly cloudy conditions at the Pittsburgh airport at this point. The barometer is at 30 5/100ths of an inch, and the dew point is sitting at 65 degrees. And generally, we consider anything at or above 65 degrees to be a tropical air mass, so a lot of moisture to work with. What about temperatures? Well, we're looking at 84 in Pittsburgh, Butler 83, 81 in Franklin, and the Du Bois area just a degree off of a record high yesterday. They're sitting at 79 degrees. 81 in Latrobe, Morgantown at 82, and Wheeling coming in at 82 degrees. Feels like temperatures just a couple of degrees warmer. It feels like as you're stepping out the door about 86 in Pittsburgh. Wouldn't be surprised if our feels like temperature gets all the way to 90 degrees this afternoon. So overall, we'll go 87, dry, very hot, kind of some hazy cloud cover is what we are expecting, and winds should generally be fairly light, between about 2 to 5 miles an hour is what we're expecting. So high pressure still the dominant feature. You can actually see Maria, just a little bit of Maria sitting off of the east coast there. Also starting to get some of the radar loop and imagery coming in from Maria as it gets a little bit closer to us. Also have a cold front. You can see it over by Chicago, just off to the west of Chicago. This is going to be the front that will impact us. It's going to take a while, not tonight. Not tomorrow during the day. Should be after about 5 or 6 o'clock when we'll see that cold front arriving here, and that will bring with it some relief for the heat for the rest of the week. Overall, at this point, we are seeing those clouds at least thinning out is what it looks like. Still dealing with some hazy cloud cover, and with the sunny conditions, we do have a air quality warning. Once again, that goes through midnight tonight. If you're wondering about that, we generally just ask folks, hey, try to fill up if you're looking at filling up the gas in your car late after about 6 o'clock. Power tools also outside, if you can, start them up after about 6 o'clock. Certainly helps with the air quality around the area, and those that are dealing with asthma certainly appreciate that. Here's the forecast today. I think we hit 87 for a high this afternoon. Even though model data is going to try to show some rain around, should be dry all day long today. As we're heading into the overnight hours, temperatures should fall into the mid-60s, similar to what we saw this morning. And then we'll be back in the 80s tomorrow. We'll be waiting on a cold front. Notice the time, noon. Notice where the front is, right around the Youngstown area. This will continue to move through western Pennsylvania by 7 o'clock, right on top of the Pittsburgh area. And notice what happens. Temperatures into the upper 70s ahead of it, low 70s behind it, and will likely be about 20 degrees or so cooler as we're heading into Thursday for highs than what we're seeing on Wednesday. So there's your 7-day outlook. Want to point out just a couple of quick things for you. First off, we are looking at the possibility of some light rain tomorrow night, and then another chance for rain on Friday. Both of those chances, though, we're not expecting a lot. Also notice the weekend temperatures much cooler. 64 your expected high on Saturday. That's actually cooler than this morning's overnight low.
My goodness. I mean, it's been so long since we've seen rain or 60. That's like, feels forever.
Yeah, I keep passing pools that are empty, and I just have to shake my head.
Wishing.
Yeah.
If only. All right. Thanks, Ron.